Alright, welcome to another Robot Adventures review. Come high, come high. Children, do not watch this. Old people, Republicans. Dumbasses, shit for brains, Republicans. Don't watch this. Everyone else, check it out. Check it out. I got Hound with stickers over there. And, yeah. So let's check out Ratchet. I've made this review a couple of times, and the problem with that is that sometimes I forget to say things, and then I say it in one review, and then I'll forget it in the next. And well, why don't you script it out? Because then it would be kind of fake, and I'd be reading shit, and yeah, I just kind of like to do it all at once. So let's see. It looks pretty good. I like them. But let me tell you a couple of things about the stickers. Of course, I've said it before, but stickers are just one category of decalcomania. And that includes the stickers, adhesive-based, or rub-on. You put the thing and you rub the back, and then it transfers to the toy or the figure or whatever. And you got your water slide, and you got your maybe iron-on stuff. All that stuff is, decorations. But yeah, stickers, they're fun and good, and kids like stickers. I like stickers. They're good for flat surfaces, but they're not good for that level change. Of course, you can see there. That's not good. And a water slide decal would probably be better because they're a little bit stretchy, and they could probably warp, bend to conform to that shape. Of course, a rub-on would probably be difficult to get the transfer from. So, yeah, stickers have their drawbacks. You're going to have to line up that logo there. Also, stickers on toys that transform have the problem of coming off. So, I don't know if you can see that right there. Let me use my special, this right here. This is my pee-pee hole biggerator. You stick this in your pee-pee hole and you and it makes it bigger. So you can have maximum pee-pee power. See right there? That's coming off. Okay, because when you transform the hand or the waist rub against the sticker and it comes off. So, and another couple problems. They don't fit well. Sometimes they're too big or oversized or something. So I love Satan. Satan in the army. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. So, yeah, stickers are stickers, but yeah, sometimes they're alright, but you have some problems with them. But this guy doesn't really seem to have transformation issues with the rubbing part, so that's pretty good. Alignment of the stickers might be tricky if you have a shitty figure, or your figure's mold isn't done well. You get gaps and stuff like that. So good luck with your figure. Also, I like this. I think it's called the Ina John Kuristar. It's got the little Autobot behind the little clear blue plastic. Oh yeah, another thing I wanted to talk about stickers. If you're going to paint this thing, which it looks pretty good, and got all these panel lines and stuff that aren't done, it's gonna look kind of funny if you paint this a little bit darker and then you put the sticker on, which is white. It's red line on a white background, so you're gonna have color contrast issues there, and So yeah, you're gonna have to plan that out. Um, yeah. So painting or applying stickers. Uh, I bought it because it came really unpainted for the most part, except for this and this top here. Um, if you're going to strip this, you're going to get some weird blue plastic as this whole front here. Um, and then you're going to apply the stickers on there. Yeah, so it's kind of tough to do both, but it's probably doable. I remember Ryan Ubinki. He stripped, I think, all the paint off of this front end here and off of was it Sideswipe? And he made like a sound wave. Looked pretty cool. So I think this lends itself to being customized. So I like it. I like it. Let's transform him and look at him in his vehicle mode. I mean his robot mode. And you get this. The instruction manuals tell you where to stick the stickers. Also, they tell you a transformation time. So if you can do it in a minute and a half, you're a master. If you're advanced, you can do it in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So let's give it a go. Ready and start. All right. This went pee-pee. Took this in my pee-pee hole and opened it up. Took this one in my pee-pee hole and pee-pee. Alright, let's transform them. Go. A minute and a half. I got a beat. Come on, motherfucker. Motherfucker, come on. You know, they just say that a minute and a half so you'll just break your toy, right? And gotta get the legs out. Gotta get the legs. There it goes. And the foot fucking rotates out. And fucking does this shit. And a fucking legging. Come on. Oh, there goes the fucking leg. Join this piece of shit. Alright, there he goes. He's done. Yeah! Wahoo! A minute and a half. Probably didn't transform him the way the instructions say, but oh well. Let's see. Oh, yeah, his little Inner Jones Sword of Destruction. Oh shit. Reverse it. There you go. Swimming. I don't know what the deal is with the Inner John gems and stuff. That's not going to be in the cartoon, so kind of weird. So again, what I said about the plastic, not the stickers, not really working well with the curved pieces here. You can see these wrinkles and stuff like that. So you're gonna have to manipulate it a bit. This whole front piece here, this and this, this is all one piece, one sticker. So you're gonna have to take this PP expander and get in there and bend the sticker and get it into these, this corner there, that crevice. This is all. Yeah, so on the curved parts. But yeah, the stickers don't affect his transformation at all. They don't rub off, so that's kind of a good thing. Um, and yeah, so it looks pretty cool. I think it adds some good detail to him. Let's see if we can pull out here. It looks pretty good, you know, with all the stickers and so. Make take thing, I don't know about that, but all you customizers out there, let me know what you guys think about this thing. Is this thing available in the U.S.? Is it released the same way? I don't know. This has the Takara Tomy seal on the box right there. So it might be just the packaging, or it might be Takara Tomy uh, figure. And if that's the case, then I'm hoping that the price, the reasonable price, is due to the stronger Japanese economy, and maybe it just took that long for um, the prices to go down. I don't know, for the adjustment in price. So, but whatever the case is, these things are attractive here in Japan. Let's look at the light pipe in there. I have eyes. No, they are dark. No, they are. Whoa, that's too light. Yes, they glow. Pretty cool. Like him. He's a good figure, good little transformer. Cisco, the founders will be here. Quick, collapse the wormhole. Quack! Wait till I tell the Grand Nagus. Liquidator Brunt. Ah, Alright, guys. No sticker peel. Nice figure. Leave your comments. Let me know if you guys customize this guy. See you guys later. Bye bye. Come by.